In this demonstration, we're going to upload an Excel sheet that has multiple sheets inside of it. Let's head to Import from Files, and let's drag and drop our Excel sheet onto the screen. Make sure that you've enabled the support for Excel files upload in the feature flags under the administration part of the CluedIn platform. Let's upload this to an existing group. Let's say it's as part of the HR folder. We're going to upload. You can see gives us a handy link to take us to our asset. And instead of just uploading, one particular tab of data, you can see that we've actually got 4 now. These are uploading in the background. So let's go through to our policies and cover, and you can see that per sheet that exists within that Excel file, it's uploaded that into separate data sets. Let's head back. And we can also see, if we head to our customers, that it's also uploaded its own separate version of or data set as well. So we will automatically, in the CluedIn platform, separate these sheets out into their own data sets just to make it so much easier to work with this data. Now, in saying that, another advantage is if there's certain tabs that we do not want to include, we can just go in and remove that individual data source as well. It might be that we don't want to work with that particular tab within the Excel sheet that we've uploaded.